How to make money. As an AI language model, I cannot promote any illegal or unethical ways to make money. However, here are 30 legitimate ways you can earn money. Number 1. Start a blog and monetize it with ads or affiliate marketing. Number 2. Sell products on an online marketplace like Amazon or Etsy. Number 3. Drive for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. Number 4. Complete freelance work in your area of expertise. Number 5. Sell items on eBay or Craigslist. Number 6. Participate in online surveys or focus groups. Number 7. Rent out a room or space on Airbnb. Number 8. Start a YouTube channel and monetize it through ads or sponsorships. Number 9. Become an affiliate marketer and promote products for a commission. Number 10. Sell your services on Fiverr or Upwork. Number 11. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services. Number 12. Start a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships or ads. Number 13. Sell your own digital products, like ebooks or courses. Number 14. Participate in paid gigs on TaskRabbit. Number 15. Rent out your car on Turo. Number 16. Deliver food for services like Uber Eats or Grubhub. Number 17. Offer cleaning or organizing services. Number 18. Participate in online tutoring or teaching. Number 19. Participate in paid online focus groups. Number 20. Participate in paid clinical trials. Number 21. Sell stock photos or graphics online. Number 22. Participate in paid market research studies. Number 23. Create and sell your own art or crafts. Number 24. Do odd jobs for people in your community. Number 25. Provide home repairs or handyman services. Number 26. Offer personal shopping or styling services. Number 27. Participate in paid user testing for websites or apps. Number 28. Sell your own merchandise or clothing. Number 29. Offer language translation services. Number 30. Participate in paid mystery shopping assignments. Finally, I advise you to apply continuity and not be lazy.